Meaning of expertise.
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 Expertise. Expertise refers to a high level of skill or knowledge in a particular field or subject. It is the result of continuous learning and experience that enables an individual to perform specialized tasks with ease and accuracy. Possessing expertise in a certain area allows one to provide valuable insights, offer effective solutions, and make informed decisions. Experts are often sought after for their unique perspectives and abilities, and are highly valued in their respective industries. Developing expertise requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to constantly learn and improve.